Going back here after finishing some styling, I want to be able to type some text here and click send and inject this there. Now let's think about that. So I click send, that's a click event. So I'm gonna have to handle the onClick for the button. So this, I add an attribute, or what we call in the React world, a prop. So in HTML, it's usually all lowercase, but for React, we gotta do camelCase. Now in React world, we have to pass a function, whereas HTML is a string. So we're gonna say here on send click, and we're gonna create this function. Note I don't have parentheses here. If I have parentheses, it's gonna call the function right away. That's not what we want. We want to only pass the function definition so that the button will listen to the click and then only call it when it's clicked. So in the world of function components, we can define the function inside the component function itself. So on send click, typically there's an event argument and there's the function there. Now, if we're in a normal environment, you can put a console log here, copy this, and every time you click, you're going to see the console log that. Unfortunately, this environment, I don't think I can access. I don't think that works here. Oh, it works. Actually, never mind. So if you click send, you can see it's being called because you can see the message on send click that I put here. All right, so every time I click send, the function on send click is called. And if you want to look at the event, you can also comma here event object to better understand what event is. You can see object, event is an object, and that has all these properties, blah, 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 whatever, if you care about that. I don't really care right now. I can see target is the button, the thing that triggered. All right,